Massive benefits of building your business credit. Business credit is credit under a company's EIN. It is not associated with an owner's social security number. Business credit and personal credit are separate. Scores can diverge dramatically. Credit is in the business name and based on the business's ability to pay, and not the business owner's. Since the business qualifies for the credit, when done right, business credit is obtained with no personal credit check required from the business owner, and the business owner isn't personally liable for the credit the business obtains. Why do you want business credit? All major businesses have it. Warren Buffett, Oprah Winfrey, Bill Gates, etc. don't risk their personal assets when their companies borrow money. They don't need to provide a personal guarantee either. Why? Because their own businesses have credit. Business credit does not happen automatically. You must actively work to build business credit. However, it can be done easily and quickly, much faster than you build up your consumer credit scores. Vendors are a big part of this process. Building professional credibility makes a real difference. A business must be credible to lenders and vendors. You need a professional-looking website and email address. Plus, you need your business phone and fax numbers listed on 411.com. Also, your business phone number should be toll-free, 800 exchange or comparable. You also need a bank account devoted strictly to your business. You must have all of the licenses needed for running your business. These licenses all must be in the exact correct name of your business. They must have the same business address and phone numbers. Let's recap. Business credit means personal credit is untouched. Utilization rate stays low. There are no inquiries on personal credit. Building business credit before you need makes it easier and faster to get it. Payment history and credit history matter. Build business credit the right way. Establish business credibility. Get DUNS, EIN, and set business entity up with the IRS. Start with vendor credit. Move on to revolving store credit. Then move to fleet credit and cash credit. Contact us today to learn more about the massive benefits of building your business credit.